Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and finding the strike entry so you know what you're fighting. Explain why. Knowing whether it's copyright versus community guideline determines the appeal path and evidence needed. Once done, download the strike notice, note the video ID, timestamp, claimant name, and collect your original project files, upload history, and any licenses. Make sure to capture screenshots and save emails. These items prove ownership or fair use and will speed up the next steps. Now you prepare a targeted appeal. Explain how. Choose the exact appeal form, copyright counter notice for wrongful takedown or solid community guidelines contest if you believe enforcement is mistaken, and follow its questions precisely. Include a tight narrative of events, cite timestamps and why your use is allowed, and attach raw source files or license documents. Once submitted, expect review times, monitor your email and YouTube Studio for status, and be ready to provide extra clarification. Finally, you manage follow-up and fallback options. Explain what to do next. Monitor the review, reply quickly to requests for more info, and keep all correspondence organized so you can prove timely action. If the appeal is denied and you're confident you're right, consider a DMCA counterclaim or consult a lawyer. Understand this can escalate to court and has risks. If things go wrong, gather everything, pause uploads, and use escalation paths or professional help to protect your channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.